over there. Good afternoon. So hari ni kita barai semalam. So hari ni we just decide to like wake up not wake up, sorry, go out after Zuhur. So we set our Zuhur and Asar dah jamak, kasar, settle. Alhamdulillah kita go out. So today orang kata kalau nak berjalan tu tak adalah halangan sangat untuk mencari tempat solat. Then now we are going for lunch first. Lepas tu kita pergi repeat balik pergi Kuala Campur. And of course bukan dia Kuala Campur tu besar like what we said in the previous video. In the previous section or segment, dia actually banyak je shopping mall je. So kita nak pergi visit different malls. So as you can see sebelah kita is a construction. Okay, we'll catch you guys later. Kita nak cari macam-macam. Kita nak cari kita nak cari mic baru, portable mic baru. Then what else you are like? I don't know, tukar phone casing. Kalau dah tukar phone casing to the magnetic one, yang kan nak beli the 4-in-1 semua sekali dalam. You can charge your phone, charge your watch, charge your punya iPod, so semua lah sekali. Kalau boleh charge semua, charge lah. Then kita nak beli apa lagi? Beli keyboard.
Ada orang kirim.
Majority orang kirim lah. So kita tolong je belikan. Sambil jalan-jalan. Kalau ada kaki petang tu mungkin member nak try pergi member kita pergi, kalau ada kaki kita pergi Luhur Commercial City. Kalau tak, kita just dinner and rest because today is our last day jalan-jalan. Esok kita dah nak pulang. See you guys later.
Sini banyak benda-benda macam phone, like phone screen, body punya phone.
Sana.
Suri. Hello, Suri. 3. 3, no 3. Suri, this good. iPhone 7. iPhone is no problem. This iPhone no problem. This good. Best quality. Kalau. Try. One, try.
Yolah, hitam boleh. Kalau apa?
This color.
Oh,
Blue white.
hitam je.
Black lah. Black. Memang green.
Kuning.
20. Okay.
No. Sulit.
Hah?
Oh, sulit.
Banyak betul. Sini semua phone casing. Wow, so cute. You see? Cute. Inilah nama dia, benda-benda that you don't need but it's interesting to have. Ni semua iPad cover. Pilihlah nak yang mana.
Mau tanya dia.
Ni tak tahulah kita dalam kedai apa. Dah celah ni semua. Boleh pilih. Oh, you boleh usap-usap dia. Oh, and then you can talk to it. Memang macam your pet betul-betul lah. Kau, you nak kucing apa? Berapa nak tanya ni? Oh. Kucing. So we have what? Ni apa ni? Kereta terbang?
Kereta ni futuristic lah.
Futuristic car.
So they envision that one day we will be on a flying car.
Oh, this one flying car. Can you see? There. Dia
By
punya.
Tesla. Kononnya by Tesla.
Ni Tesla.
Ya, Tesla.
Mana dia tulis? Hah? Oh. Ya ke? Tesla T.
Oh, no.
Ni Xpeng kan?
Ya. Sorry. So they believe that it will fly one day like that.
So we have so many drones here. All types of drones. And then one is flying there. Nampak? So all types of drones. And the cats. All the cats. All the flights. Ni military ni. Then?
Up one is okay.
Oh.
Oh. Wow. 240.
Yang ni ada cat.
This one by roda wheels. That one literally walk. Ubah.
Yeah, that one can walk. Kenapa slow je you jalan?
Dia memang jalan tu turning left, then you go walk.
Oh.
Dia tak smart enough to move forward and you.
Kung Fu T. Oh. Ni Kung Fu. Ni Bless apa? Bless macam
Sabar,
tu.
ni kungfu nanti dia akan naik.
Oh, this one Kung
ha.
Fu.
This is the full set.
Bless?
Sabarlah. Bless, ini angkat tangan.
Bless. Oh.
Faham ni ada lah macam-macam yuan.
Okay. Wow, ni lagi laju.
And the Cambodian control have English word.
Oh, you can talk to it.
Yes.
Oh.
坐下 Sit down.
Oh, wow. Sit down.
后退后退
Oh, go back. Go to the back.
And voice to sit in.
Oh.
跳个舞吧跳个舞吧
Sebelah ada tangga, sebelah ada motor.
Cool kan?
Guys, dia beli roti guys. Nampak? Dia tanya nak potong macam mana. Sourdough ke apa ni?
Hi guys, sekarang kita tengah try kita punya a new camera, Audro N5. So sekarang kita berada di tempat makan. Kan tak ada guna mic, so kita belum lagi ada mic. So I don't know whether we should be. No, we already bought a mic. It's just that we tak boleh connect to the camera at the moment. So we just gonna use the mic from the camera itself. See how it goes. Sekarang kita berada di Hua Chang Fi, kedai makan halal. Tu kedai makan halal very nice and proper. Like you know, normal restaurant. Okay, kita flip ya. Tengok. Very proper. Kita duduk di corner. So very nice, cozy place. Yep. So come, let me bring the camera back to me. Yeah. Okay. See how the quality goes like. We ordered dinner as well as for breakfast. Having the camera a bit here. Okay. So camera sekarang berada about 1 arm's length away from me. So my voice a little bit louder. So kita turun the camera a bit. So yeah, kita nak try ni camera. So what we order is that kita order ni mestilah ada charge. We ordered ikan. Boss nak makan ikan. So kita order ikan. Then after that we order eggplant, garlic eggplant, and minced fried rice. Yeah, the minced meat, minced fried rice, sorry. Dia kat sini tulis minced meat rice. So I assume is minced fried rice lah. Minced meat fried rice, yeah. Okay, so tadi kita dah penat jalan kat Hua Chang Fi, cari macam-macam. Kita cari phone casing, cari mic baru, cari adapter, cari cable, cari SD card. What else kita cari? Cari keyboard. So semua jumpa, alhamdulillah. So right now kita dah settle. Kita gonna have dinner first. Settle down kat sini. Time check is only about 6:29. We ordered about 4 minutes ago. So where's boss? Boss pergi tandas. Because tadi I pergi tandas. Then she don't follow me. Say the toilet like, probably go to the next destination punya toilet. Then after I tried the toilet, dia cakap, okay. I feedback the toilet over here is not too bad. So yeah, our food kat sini dah sampai. Okay. Food kita dah sampai. So yeah, we wait for her to come back first. So yeah. So dia pergi tandas. Back to the story. So dia pergi tandas dulu. So pergi tandas, then I'm waiting for the food. Yes.
Our phones sell ours.
Oh, okay. Never mind. It's okay.
So if you cancel or change anyone.
Cancel.
Okay.
Thank you. Kita baru nak bungkus tu halal ban. Susah nak cari halal ban kat sini. So, tak. Bukan susah. Halal food just scattered around. So, kalau you nak pergi tempat makan tu, you kena jalan lebih. So, from Hua Chang Fi tu, kita datang sini is about 100 meters. So, we had to walk. So, we chance upon this place because kita tersesat kedai lain juga. So, I don't know why my Google Map hari ni not working. So, it was pinging me on the other side of Hua Chang Pei. Padahal I am orang kata I'm on the east side, tapi my Google is showing on the west. So was haywire just now. So I don't know why. Tak apa. So while kita dah supposed to go to a different market, Feyang Market. Feyang Market tu tak jumpa, kita tersesat ke Laoshang Market. Actually Feyang Market tu je belakang Laoshang. So okay, aku dah cakap yogurt ni serve later, tapi just serve now. Apalah. Nanti you can see the yogurt, okay? Or you want to see the yogurt now? Okay. Okay lah, I show you the yogurt now. Oh, okay, let me show you the yogurt. That's hari ni mesti Allah letak kismis and raisins and walnut. Saya letak. What's that? The rainbow sprinkles there. Yeah. But it looks the same. So we'll see how. Okay, let's bring back the camera to me. Yeah. So, kita pergilah. Kita pergi mana ni? Sorry, where were we? Okay. Oh, so kita pergi makan. What was I saying? Yes, tempat kita actually tersesat pergi Laoshang. Then Google Map not working. Kita jalan-jalan. Then I told her that actually my Google Map is something's wrong with my Google Map. So we have to she use her Google Map pula untuk search. So as we walk, kita terjumpa kedai-kedai halal ni. Actually kat Hua Chang Pei, don't worry, banyak ada kedai halal sebenarnya. Just that you have to do a bit walking. Orang taklah betul-betul kat situ. Orang kata macam lepas shopping keluar Hua Chang Pei tu, you terus ada kedai halal. Tak. Dia ada okay, sebelah dah ada orang. So nampak gaya, kita akan tukar dia punya side juga. Okay. Okay. So, yelah. Apa dia? I was saying kita chance upon this tempat. So, okay, she's back. Kita akan start makan, okay?
Here is the homemade yogurt. Ni beef, rice with beef. Nah, beef ni nampak menarik ya. And then ni eggplant. So we are still waiting for our fish.
Okay, kita cuba je punya. Okay, cha je tadi sedap je. Biasalah. Teh je letak air panas. Menyelerakan.
Kakak, bagus ni bagi sayur.
Oh, diorang kasih sayur Betul. Ya, diorang kasih sayur. So, it's easier. Oh, ni untuk seorang makan. Patutlah tengah pelik asal je tak kasih mangkuk So, you makan dululah Okay, bismillah.
Mangkuk ya.
Terung selalu kita makan kulit ke dengan... Oh, ya. Yeah. Macam pelik asal. Okay, sekarang saya tengah potong ini terung. So, terung ni dia pandai kot. Macam dia buka terung tu, kasih cantik gini. Dia minta je lagi satu sudu Bismillah. So, kita order terung masak garlic. Terung masak garlic. Bau je sedap. Bismillah. Oh, best you jangan makan dia punya apa? Dia punya kulit, sebab kulit dia bakar. So dia macam hangus. Gelap Sorry. Dia hangus. Nak makan boleh, tapi tak recommended lah. Dia macam so senang untuk siap-siap gitu. Tapi kalau you dah gitu, you dah angkat the entire tu. Dia punya apa, kesedapan dia. Dia punya seasoning dia kat atas sebenarnya. Ya. Dulu I never know how to eat tarung.
Nak besar terus dia.
Now dah tiba dia pandai pula. Sedap lah. Bismillah. Okay, kita try pula dia punya nasi. I rasa dia pakai brown rice ya. Macam ada biji-biji.
Bukan.
Ha? Bukan Ni apa ni?
Cumin kan?
Tak? Oh ya. Tak tahu apa benda ni. Potato.
Pumpkin kan? Pumpkin apa potato?
Tu bukan pumpkin. Dia macam lain jenis. Carrot ya. Ni pumpkin. Yep. Dia tak kismis. I think this is apa? Winter melon Alah apa? Kita panggil alahnya sayur kali hijau. Cuma sayur hijau
Apa tu?
tahu. Very the plain. Nasi goreng ni child friendly. Flavor dia pun ya. Sorry guys. Bismillah. Okay. Kita tunggu kita punya ikan, okay? Alright. Kita cuba ikan bakar. Ikan bakar je yang saiz dia macam comel lah, macam saiz ikan tilapia yang satu tapak punya. Besar sikit lah satu tapak. So ya, dia potong, dia belah separuh so that kita senang nak makan. Macam tak pernah kita try makan ikan dengan punya seasoning. Bismillah.
Bukan cakap juga. Saya pernah makan dekat yang Malu, Island dekat Manchester. Sedap lah. Ikan bakar.
Yeah. Sedap.
Ikan bakar rempah kan.
Betul. Recommended. Cubalah dia punya barbecue ikan, okey? Kalau datang China. Rasa semua tempat sama lah rasa dia But they say Sichuan punya makanan pun sedap lah. I mean there's Sichuan style. So maybe the area kalau you pergi Sichuan, makanan dia pun sedap lah.
Macam pedalaman tau.
Oh ya, dia tak ada city Sichuan.
Ada lah.
Okay.
Tapi dia ada nature juga. Maksudnya dia macam kuning lah.
I think all our food is here, right?
More fermented.
Yeah. Dia letak a tinge of honey. Itu macam tu hari kedai yang dekat masjid tu. Translation in English is Northwestern Leader. Cheng Yang ke tak silap nama. Cheng Yuan Yuan dia punya kedai. Dia punya honey tu sedap.
Sekarang di mana?
Lepas ni kita pergi Upper Hills. So we don't know what's in store over there. But all we know is malls, very pretty malls with pretty alleys for you to take photo, buat Instagram photo. It's Instagrammable. That's it. Yeah. So kita akan tengoklah apa ada kat sana. Okay. Jom.
Ni kedai yang kita makan tadi. Yeah. So if you want to search, you can search Xinhua Hotel.
Xinhua Hotel.
Bloody KTV. It's
Nama-
really busy road here.
Nama restoran dia is Da Mo Tao Ke.
Okay.
Translation Desert Swordsman.
Translation of the kedai is Desert Swordsman. How guys?
Welcome to Suncheon Upper Hill. Tu escalator,
Yeah, sabar. Wait, it's going to the upper part, upper side,
Upper East.
upper east siders. We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Yeah. Christmas punya decoration.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Punya.
Bye bye.